Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. If you're someone who loves fishing or just starting out, today's spotlight is on one of the top fishing accessories, the best braided fishing line. It's tough, smooth, and packed with smart features that seasoned anglers will love. So stay with us for the full breakdown. Let's get started. Product features. Strong and wear-resistant build. The Lay-Done X is built for strength. Whether you're reeling in a big catch or fishing in rocky waters, this line holds up. Its wear-resistant design means fewer breakages and more time fishing, not replacing lines. Cuts PVC tubing easily. This line isn't just strong, it's tough. It's capable of slicing through PVC tubing, which is handy when working with rigs or lures that require precise cuts. It's a small detail, but it shows how robust this line really is. Smooth and sensitive. You'll notice right away how smooth it is. This means less friction on your guides and reel, giving you better casting distance and less wear on your gear. Plus, it's highly sensitive. You'll feel even the tiniest bite, so you won't miss a catch. 8 strands raw silk braid. Made with 8 strands of raw silk, the Lay-Done X8 delivers powerful performance while staying lightweight. It's flexible, easy to handle, and resistant to tangling, a huge plus when you're on the water. Quick dive, long cast. This line sinks quickly, making it perfect for deep water fishing. And if you're into micro lures or casting over long distances, the Lay-Done X8 gives you great range and precision. Accurate line diameter. Thanks to its consistent line diameter, you'll get smooth, controlled casting and excellent compatibility with most reels. That's better performance and easier handling every time. Pros: super strong and durable, smooth and sensitive for better control, cuts through PVC and handles tough conditions, ideal for long-distance casting, great for both beginners and pros. Cons: maybe slightly pricier than standard fishing lines. Bright color may fade slightly over time with heavy use. Final thoughts. All in all, the Lay-Done X8 braided fishing line is a fantastic option for anglers who want durability, precision, and smooth performance in one package. Whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater, this line is built to perform under pressure. Check the price from the link in the description below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more reviews on the best tech and gear.